Hey everyone, Izzy and Billy here from the Tech, Tire, and Wheel Training team, and we are so pumped to share some crazy exciting news, right Billy?
Yep, that's correct, Izzy.
Oh, come on Billy, you've got to be more excited.
Oh, I'm always excited to talk about proper tire repair training.
Okay, well while Billy is practicing his excited face, I'm gonna give you guys the scoop. Tech has launched Tech University Online. That's right, you can now access our awesome training videos 24/7, 365. For all of you tire techs with a cell phone and a little extra time in the shop, show 'em, Billy. There it is. Shop owners, you can also train your entire team for a full year with just a small annual fee. But don't take my word for it. Visit techtirerepairs.com, go to that upper right-hand corner, and check out a great promotion. Does it get any better than TechU Online? I don't think so. Come on, Billy, my tire's flat.